Welcome to my YouTube channel. Before we proceed, make sure you hit subscribe button and click the bell icon. In today's session we will learn to make grids and story data of a building. First let's go through our architectural drawing. So this is our plan. Let's have a look at number of grids and spacing in between them. Along X there are 4 grids A, B, C, and D. The spacing in between them are 10 feet 3 inch, 11 feet 2 inch, and again 10 feet 3 inch. Along Y there are also 4 grids 1, 2, 3, and 4. ETABS takes spacing along Y from bottom to top. So the spacings are 10 feet 5 inch, 13 feet 6 inch, and 10 feet 6 inch respectively. Now let's go for number of story. Here we have ground floor, first, second, third, and top floor plan. If we look at the section of building, it is evident. We have 5 different levels. First, second, third, fourth, and top floor level. Also the floor height is for all floors is 9 feet 5 inch. 9 feet 5 inch, 9 feet 5 inch, 9 feet 5 inch, 9 feet 5 inch. To our software. I will be using 17th version. And we will be doing all based on Indian codes like IS 456. First we need to select units, steel design code, and concrete design code. All will be IS codes. Now let's go for grid formation. Here we have to select custom grid spacing, edit grid data. Let the name of grid be G1. The grids along X are A, B, C and D, and along Y we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. We get to choose either grid data as ordinate or as spacing. If we look, we have 4 grids A, B, C and D at top right corner, displayed from left to right, and for Y the grids are from bottom to top. After selecting grid data as spacing, we will enter the values for spacing. If we remember, the first spacing was 10 feet 3 inch. Let's go to our plan. It is 10 feet 3 inch, then 11 feet 2 inch and again 10 feet 3 inch. Let's enter these in for grids along X-axis. The last remains 0. Now again let's look at the plan for Y-axis from bottom to top. We have 10 feet 5 inch, 13 feet 6 inch, 10 feet 6 inch. Let's get back to software and enter all these data. 10 feet 5 inch, use your keyboard for this. 13 feet 6 inch, 10 feet 6 inch, and 0 at last. As soon we enter these data, the figure at top left corner starts arranging accordingly. Here the bubble has overlapped, so let's reduce the size of the bubble to 900. We have completed grid. Now let's move for story data. We need to be careful in this section. Click on custom story data. Then edit story data. Let's rename the story as per your convenience. Starting from bottom, I will keep it as ground floor, first floor, second floor, third floor. If you remember, we have one more floor and we will add it later. Now let's edit story height. It was 9 feet 5 inch, I guess. We will look at section of building. Yes, it's 9 feet 5 inch for all floors. Let's go back to our software and apply for all floors. I will just copy and paste this value. I will repeat this to above floors also. Let's look at our section once again. We have in total 5 levels. First, second, third, fourth and top. Now it's time to add our top floor as in the drawing. Let's do it. Add story. Keep existing story height. Height 9 feet 5 inch. Number 1. And all OK. Let's rename this as fourth floor and that's it. We are almost at the end of this session. Let's end it on one more thing, and that is master story and similar story. I will take you back to our architectural plan.